Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let me guide you through the process of translating tweets and the Twitter app in 2024. Let's get started. First, open the Twitter app on your device, which is now known as X, and log into your account if you haven't already. From the home screen, tap on your profile icon in the top left-hand corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings and Support, then select Settings and Privacy. Scroll up on the settings screen until you find Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Tap on this option. On the next screen, select Languages. Here, tap on Preferred Language at the top. This will show your currently selected language. Tap on Update Language. Now you can choose from the available languages. If you don't see the language you want, tap on More to see additional options, or use the search bar to find the language you want to translate. After selecting the language, tap on Next in the bottom right-hand corner. The app will take a minute or two to load and translate your tweets. Once done, everything will appear in the selected language, and that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.